7 ancient cars still cruising the streets. Today, we're diving into a time capsule, unearthing 7 ancient cars that are still alive and kicking on the roads. Buckle up, because this is going to be a ride through history. Morgan 4/4, The Timeless Gentleman's Ride. 2016 April 4th is almost the same car belonged to the 4x4 Series 2 from 1955. It even does not change the original design much. Looking at it will remind you of the time when gentlemen wore tweed jackets, smoked pipe tobacco. Lada Niva, the Russian Bears off-roader. Lada is one of the best-known car lines that Russia has ever produced. First manufactured in 1977, the Niva was an off-roader with a unibody design. The current model is known as Lada 4x4, but it still offers everything that the previous model did and has the capability to provide off-road driving like a pro. Mercedes-Benz G-Class, the Kardashians' favorite time capsule. The company has always been famous for two things: growth and evolution. So it may surprise many to know that they are still producing a 1979 model. The modern-day G-Class is a revised version of the W461. For this reason, it's unofficially called as the W463. It's highly luxurious. Combined with the classic appeal, it's the favorite automobile of many people, including the Kardashians and the Albanian army. Volkswagen Combi, the hippies' magic bus. First introduced in 1950, the microbus has not changed much regarding the exterior design. Since its debut, it has been one of the most popular buses due to its value for money standpoint. Plenty of competitions have come and gone but failed to beat the model. Volkswagen has recently announced the remake of an all-new, electric Combi model. Volkswagen Passat, the family sedan that won't quit. The Passat has been serving as family cars and cabs since 1981. The model is especially popular in China, where they perform the role of police vehicle too. The car still has a good market, and the growing popularity among the Chinese indicates a continuous production. Suzuki Jimny. The four-wheeled off-road car does not need any introduction. The Japanese automaker has been producing them since 1970, and they have achieved an almost iconic status in the modern day. Their old, classic design coupled with the tried-and-tested modern technology has turned them into another name for reliability: Volkswagen Jetta. It seems that the German automaker is fond of relaunching their ancient cars than any other companies. They have been manufacturing it since 1984. Like the Passat model, it has a great popularity in China. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.